How we doing? Are we all good? Amazing? Fandam-tastic? I hope so. David, you're amazing. I read your comment, and you know, it made my day. The day, like, doesn't even feel like it started, but you made my day, so I really appreciate that. Got me smiling so early in the morning. Well, it's not actually that early, but still got me smiling. There we go. Okay. Now, to get all the other shenanigans going. Okay. Now we're good to go. Okay, I have to go through everything. What did I miss yesterday? I'm pretty sure the Maya effect took place yesterday and I missed some good stuff. Where did I go? I went to like 11. Went up, went back down, messed around. Never mind, I didn't actually miss that much. I really thought that maybe I missed some good stuff yesterday. Not really. Here. Wow, okay, but that was late for me. I was gonna say here I can see that there was an A+ setup. Just from looking this far away, I can see that there was an A+ setup. That's all she wrote, folks. Literally, that's all. Wow, okay. That's not great. Okie dokie.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
What's up, Solly? How we doing? Now, got it. Okay, let's mark everything out. That's all we can do. New York High, right over here. Cool. New York High, New York Low was very much taken. We got Asia Low. Oh wait, Asia Low down here. Okay. There it's saying Asia High was taken, but I'm gonna also mark out this point right here. Let me just mark it out. Let's not label it. That's basically everything. Let's extend this slightly. Because these are still points of interest, key points of interest, if I shall. Okay. That one done. I mean, that one, no, we don't need that one for now. Now, let's quickly mark out new daily. Okay, well, we don't have a new daily opening gap, but we do have a new daily opening. New daily opening. Okie dokie. And let's find midnight. Let's mark that like a proper human being. Oh, midnight! Oh, I went past you. Close to here. That little doji right there. Ew. Do I have yesterday's first presented fair value gap markup? Yes, I do. Why? What's up, Deb? How are we doing? Why are you asking, Sully? Did I do something interesting at that level? Where was it? Here we go. There's yesterday's first presented. You're talking about New York, right, Sully? Because that's yesterday's first presented fair value gap. Is it? Yes. Yes, it is. Had me questioning myself there for a second, but yeah, there it is. I cooked a short off that midpoint. Nah, wow. Did you take it all the way down? What's up, Boom? How you doing? How's it going, Boom? Gotta get that. Sorry. That's not gonna be stuck in my head for a little bit, but that's okay. Let's go daily. Chart top to bottom analysis, quick sticks. Oh damn, look at that. It did kinda wick off of the midpoint. Question is, are we gonna go back up and is it gonna keep respecting it? Or are we just gonna go all the way up? I am mad at life. Why? Why are you mad at life? What happened? Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. Brother, I need 3-day nap. Guys, I went to bed so early last night, but yet it doesn't even feel like I had any sleep. Literally. It's not gonna help the I'm old case, but I think I literally fell asleep before 8. Which is embarrassing. That's some old lady stuff right there. We all need the 3-day nap. I'm still keen on this 940 level. See if it reaches there. Okay. And 40 to the sell side. What have we got on the 4 hour? So tapped into that fair value gap. Nothing else. Well, there's now this potential fair value gap. Let's see if that continues. Let's check the 1 hour. Petition for a nap long weekend. I love that. Yeah, what's up? Gold? No, Nasdaq futures. MNQ to be specific. 8 p.m. I can't remember last. I had such a luxury. Yep. Yep. I think we've pumped today, but London should be the retracement. What's up, BT? How you doing? Alright, just looking at all the fair value gaps here. So far majority have actually been tapped into. Still keen on this 940 level though. Let's see if we pump all the way up there or not. Okay. It's the 1 hour, let's check the 15-minute. This is where I put the shenanigans back up. Sorry guys. Blind you a little bit. That cool. Marked out all the major liquidity zones still. Even to the sell side, so that's cool. Shush. Back down to midnight magnet by the looks of things. Okay. Potential retracement back into this fair value gap. 5 minutes. Oh, BT, I'm good. I almost lost my eval. I said go big or go home, then I full ported back and now I broke even. That's a little insane, but okay. You do you, Boom. Sure. Full port for the win. I went 15 minis. Nice. Nice. That's insane. That's pure insanity right there. But you know, strength to you. Oh my gosh. Okay. Back to the one. Let's do this thing. Do 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 do. Was that the open? Yep, here's 3 a.m. open. Sorry, I'm thinking to myself. Here's 3 a.m. Let's see what we get. I mean, boom, my day's basically just started. I haven't exactly done much. 50 minutes in this range is crazy. P&L looking like a phone number. Yeah, 911. Let's do this. All right, now Maya, they're watching. What's up, Rolf? How you doing? Who's they, and why are they watching me? Why do you want to watch? That's weird. 301. How you doing, Rolf? Good morning, by the way. How's it going? Where you at? Damn, everyone's being super quiet today. Is it because it's Tuesday? Wait. Proper question. Is there any news or anything of extra significance today? Oh dear. Not really. Well, nothing hectic, like, let's put it that way. See tomorrow a tiny bit. Okay. I sound like a pirate today. I got up in the roof to fix a light and inhaled. Oh no, that's not good, Solly. That's not good. Oh, Steve, what's up? How you doing, bud? You see there's a small run up right now. Yep. Question is, how long is this little push gonna be? I'm still keen on that 940 level getting tapped into, but I mean, that's quite far away. Doesn't mean it's not possible, it just means it might not happen today. Hey, Bob. It's early for you, or late for you? Is it early or late for you? Pointers, are you good? Why are you awake? David, also, how's everyone's trading been going, by the way? Is everyone happy, or is everyone wanting to kind of yeet their monitors? 1 a.m. here in Guatemala. Do you literally just wake up for London Open? If you do that, like, respect, but damn. Lalakile? With me? What's up? How you doing? Hi. No, been up all night. Why? Playing games? Have you been playing? Okay. Now that has been tooketh. Cool, let's see what we get. It's been $800. That's a lot of money. Just putting that out there, but okay. Just received the YouTube notification, was going to sleep. Aww. Can't complain, taking it slow this week, but still bagging some small ones. You know what, Solly? One win at a time. I mean, I'm gonna complain. I got nothing yesterday. But I guess it is what it is. I think that's just going to grab stops above and highs and then drop. Ooh. Okay, Rolf, let's see. It did just take out that little bit of a high. Like I said, I'm kind of keen on this 940 area being hit. Probably won't happen today, but within the week, it could be so wrong. But let's see what happens. Mario G, man, how are you? Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Where are you from? Lalikil where? Sorry, I feel like I butchered that. I'm so sorry if I did. But who knows? The trend is up. Still checking the movement. Nice. Lucky Mon, what's up? Yeah, slowly but surely, David G. Went a little bit stagnant there, but that's fine. Don't do it for the whatnots. Do it for the trading and the learning, and you know, most importantly, the community. Because you guys are awesome souls. Hey, also, I thought so. I didn't want to assume. I did think so, though. You know, it's bad to assume things. What part of SA are you from? Because I'm also nice to meet another fellow Sapper. There's a few of us here. Not gonna lie, there's quite a few of us South Africans that chinchill over here. I love it. Should be just over 8K. That's expensive, David. That's very expensive. Ooh, nice. I'm heading back that side. Literally end of the month. I moved down to KZN for basically, well, just short of a year, and now I'm heading back that side of the world. I'm so excited. I'm counting down the days. We are on 18 days, people. 18 days. Heck yeah. Think you could 100% be back at new high before the weekends. Yeah, but cheap. I'm still buying things. Yeah, unless it comes to my horse, then I'm just like... Question mark. Are you able to travel to any part of the world? Not any part. But I do have my EU passport. So, yeah, I can travel. Now I'm going back to Gauteng. So still in South Africa. I'm moving. So last year I moved down to KZN. Now I'm moving back up to Gauteng. Guys, moving, so stressful. Not worth it. Don't do it. That's all I'm gonna say. Damn, okay, we're getting some movement, which is cool. Do I trust it though? No, that's not ideal. Let's check from there. It's a little meh. That's a B setup. Okay, let's change to paper quickly and let's take the B setup. It's not an A+ setup though. If it becomes an A+ setup, I shall take it. Let me... I'm trying to be better at also taking the B setups. Let's see what this does and how it reacts here. If it would have been a win or not. Like I said, this one is very much a B. So probability of me taking this was very, very low, especially on my funded. Let's see if it would have worked or if it would have been a stop loss. Let's see, here's where you'd want to see some decent rejection, but is it gonna happen? Oh, it's fighting it, so maybe not. Yeah. Didn't reject how you would want to see it reject. I thought I finished moving to my country, Honduras. Why? Don't hate on the B setups. I know. They're not always bad. Just, that's why I've decided I'm gonna start taking them on the paper, right? To start maybe trusting them a little bit more. Because if they work out more often than I give them credit for, then I should actually just start taking them on the funded, right? Right? But I thought let me get quick and good at taking them on the paper first, and then we can go from there. Because I mean, if the B setups work, they will obviously present themselves a little bit more often than the A+ setups, naturally. Okay, Mikuave, I'm keen. I have nothing planned today. Just gotta take little Perry Bean for a walk after this stream and then We can hop on before New York, yeah? Ice cream, skittle, melt the bit. What? Stan, are you good? You definitely drink coffee like a South African? What does that mean? Also, what's up, Jordy? How you doing? What's that? I have so many questions. How do I drink coffee like a South African? So many questions. Okay, because it's a little choppy, I'm not going to move this to break even until it reaches the 1. If it reaches the 1, let's see. I say that and now I'm kind of low-key tempted to move it to break even. Okay, at least mitigate risk by half. You're gonna trade bean oil. Okay, so if I had gone break even, that would have probably taken me out there. No, leave it completely alone. Leave it completely alone. Leave it alone. Do you know what I want to also do with these? Sorry, today's not the day to probably be doing this, but I want to see moving it to 3. So it's not that much higher, but you know, it's something. Let's have a look, see what this does. Oh, these wiki wicks over here are not looking promising for a push up yet, but hands off, right? So there's 3 out, and there's 2 out, there's 3 out. Let's see if it gets the 3. Soybean oil. You want to see it go down to 625. Okay, all the way down there. I mean, yeah, valid. That's why, like I said, there was a very specific... Ooh, here we go. Okay, very specific reason why I didn't take this. Mainly that it was a B setup. Okay, so that B one did not work. Oh, cheers, David G. Enjoy. Sweet dreams. The way you sip it with is hot. That's South African. That's hilarious. Oh, that's hilarious. I didn't know South Africans sip it in a specific way. Huh, when it's hot. The more you know. Why do you add trust in a mechanical system? If you want to reach consistency, your process has to be like a computer program following instructions. Handel trading? Elaborate a little bit more? What do you mean by that? What's up, user? How you doing? Plus, we had an idea about the stop run. Okay. Yeah, struggle to break here. So let's see if this is able to then go back down again. Search chain pro if you're holding crypto. I'm definitely not holding crypto. What's up, Samuel? How you doing? Sorry, crypto ain't my thing. Yet. I haven't actually looked in it, to be fair. Always said I want to just be better before I start doing that. Trading professionally for a living means taking emotionless decisions every day, not based on feelings. Yeah, agreed. Market puller switcheroony on. Glad we played it small. I mean, Lucky Man, it's why I took it on a paper. Right. I only take my A+ setups on my funded. For that reason, Handel. It's not a critic, it's just how you reach consistency. You cannot master your emotions. Like I said, There is a very good reason why I only take my A+ setup on my funded. All of these ones here are just literally paper. Testing the B1s. Testing. 625, what you think? Are you waiting for it to retrace back down to 625 and then continue back up, or you just thinking it's going to drop down there, but once it's dropped down there, it could potentially continue further? Maya, when it hits 480, let me... What? You think it's going all the way down to 480? Nice. And Goma said when I watch your stream, I'll make more money. Okay, interesting. Will I make more money? Yeah. Mr. Umi says it's gonna go further down. Stan, you think it's gonna go up? Oh, I think. Okay, I had to rewind so many times because I missed what you said. I'm good for prenatal. Cool. Cool, Mikuabe. What did I want to say? 625 is the first GP. Got it, got it. Oh, I did promise you your last little sweetie today. I did indeed. What are you holding? I'm actually not holding anything, Jolly, so I do day trading. But I trade the MNQ. If we hit it. Must I just start shouting? Oh, you'll be listening, cool. 480. Let's make a little... Okay. Okay. Yeah, I made a boom line. Let's see if it reaches there or not. Hey! Stop. Do you know me, Geordie? No, I don't think so. What? Okay, let's see. Long or short? Let's do this. Oh, instantly 50-50. Nice. Have you heard of Zcoin? For some reason I have heard of Zcoin. I don't know why. What's up, Monty? How you doing? You have arrived. I love it. Look at the volume. Let's see, that didn't retrace far enough. This. This is another B setup. Do another B setup, shall we? Sugar, honey, iced tea. Okay, let's see if it reaches there or not. What's up, Blackcard? How you doing? And Eddie! What's up, Eddie? How we doing? Mario G-Man, you say it'll continue low if it breaks that resistance level. Okay, so the shorts are winning. Oh, so for those who are undecided, don't trade without a stop loss. I feel like just in general, maybe don't trade without a stop loss. Just a fun thought. I went fishing this morning, sunrise, and you'll never guess what I saw again. Was it another shark? Was it a shark again? What is going on in Australia that the sharks are just like, cool. It's time. 30p at 4:45 and that's... Okay, now we're going long. Back to 50-50. Now the long is winning by 57%. Oh, and okay, and the other one's on 50-50, which means very much undecided day. Could even potentially mean that it just goes sideways, which will suck, guys. Come on, I would really appreciate getting a flipping A+ setup now. Like, I'm quite full of this. Thanks very much. My phone pinged later on in the day, and it was a great white. Seriously, what is going on in Australia? Seriously. That's why I don't go into the sea. Okay, so no trade day growth. Loki looks like it. Like I said, I'm setting this up because this is a B setup. Even that is low-key pushing it, so yeah. Let's call it a B. It has two things that I like, which makes it a B setup for me. Let's see if it even gets there or not. There's all these oldies that ocean swim every day. They came up in 70s when shark calling other things, so they are delusional. I'm in a long haul on mini crude oil from yesterday, and the hedge fund about to buy again and average in my lower price to go up. This dude jumped off the rocks near me and I told him I saw a fin, but he didn't care. Like, I know I went shark cage diving. You know, I didn't even... I started off in the cage and then I hopped out the cage, but I went like at least with a professional that does this every single day. I wasn't just like, I'm just gonna go swim with the sharks because I can. What the heck, man? And like with specific instructions not to, like, I don't know if you guys know this, but if you do ever swim with sharks, either wear gloves or don't move your hands, because the reflection of your hands when you swim makes it look like the scales like reflecting in the sun, and that's when they'll come for you. That sounds bad. They won't come for you, know what I mean. And if you make splashes, that's like a, oh, let me go get you thing. Little fun fact for you guys. Point is, that should have been in. See if it tags me in or not. If not, I'll mark it into a cell. Okay, min. See what this does. Do I have a new camera? No, why? Do I look like I have a new camera? How you doing, Wade? How's it going, by the way? Even with the proto things, there's a drone that flies over Bonny Beach and films ocean swimmers interacting and swimming over them daily. What do you mean by interacting? What do you mean by interacting? I'm low-key leaving the TP to run, because I can. Oh, look at this one working out beautifully. Okay, so far with the B setups, one was a loss, and one so far, let me not speak, though to be fair, this is probably a break even here. Let's see if this becomes a break even or if it becomes a winner-winner chicken dinner. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be greedy. Make TP over there. Yes, take it up the swing low. Okay, so definitely break even. Okay, so 2 B setups, one was a loss. Okay, one was pushing it actually. That was actually it's actually like a D setup that actually didn't have... Okay, my bad. This actually wasn't a B setup. This was a B setup, only 2. This didn't even have a fair value gap. I just entered in too quickly. Okay, so far this B setup actually worked out beautifully. Would have been a beautiful win. I'm now gonna move this to midpoint. No, actually. Gonna leave it the heck alone. Let's see what happens. Okay, that B was... Whoa. Okay, have an A+. Let's do this. If it comes back up, this one is A+. Is it? 1, 2. Ooh, the stop loss is a little on the verge of being... but I'll keep it there. Okay, let's see. So this one is on my funded. This one's better. I don't know if it's gonna go that high or what the case is, but let's see, it might just continue down. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? Wait, stop! Hammer time! Ayo! 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 No! Gonna leave it like this. It did just take out the lows. Created an SMT. Did not take the lows on... Yes. Don't know if it's gonna go that high up again, but let's see. If it taps into midnight, then I'll call it there, because for me that's my point of interest for now. Woohoo, win. Hey! Nice! Lucky Man had a whoop whoop. There we go. Whoop whoop to anyone that got in on that and had a little winner chicken dinner. That is awesome sauce. What time is it? My paper trade, it is still open. It is still going. Okay, retracing on ES, not so much on NQ just yet. I'll buy yesterday close around 12. What's up, Tyler? How you doing? Boom, what's up? If it gets to 310. Good grief. What about your 480 level? Should I let you know for both? Look on the 5 minute. Yeah. Oh, man. I actually want my stop loss a little higher, but it's okay. Hmm. 5 minute doesn't look as nice. 15. Ugh. Okay, just don't look at the 15. The 15 looks terrible. But it is slowly going down. Key level over here on the 15, 588. This is a good liquidity zone. 588. Okay. Oopsies. No, just 310. Okay, cool. I could fit 2 naps in, but 310. Just got off a triple shift and have been happy about my bit. Nice, Tyler, that is awesome. Um, 15 looks good. Only worked 26 hours with an hour lunch. What do you mean you only worked 26 hours? Only, wow. Only worked 26 hours. Okay then. I'm gonna leave it alone, no matter what happens, happens. 48 would have been better. Are you good? Where is Debbie? She's still sipping champagne. No, Debbie was here, I think. Debbie? Debbie! Okay, so short won by 43, I lied, 53%. And short is winning by 62% on the other pole. What the heck, man? Alright then. Hands off. Staying hands off. Well, theoretically, yeah, we should be going now. Theoretically, yes. Let's see what we get. Like I said, liquidity here, midnight magnet here, and bob level there. Tapped into that fair value gap on ES. What's up, Andre? Am I a black tea or black coffee drinker? This is coffee. So this is black coffee. To be fair, depending on the tea, I'm also a black tea drinker. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really use a lot of dairy that often. I don't know if that's weird or not, but here we go. No! Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Bad. Bad candles. Yes. I'm here and it's far too early for a drink. Just checking on you, making sure you're still here. Honest tea is better. You made me clutch my pearls. How dare you? How dare you? Yeah, just first trade potential long, just looking for confirmation on it. Oh, Debbie, don't say that. Because that then don't look good for me. Wait, depending what asset are you looking at? Bruh. If it reaches the 1 level, I'm out. That's frustrating. Okay. Yep. Didn't come and tag me in before doing that. A little rude, but whatever. it's never too early to drink. It's 5 p.m. somewhere. And then he said it's 5 a.m. somewhere, and I was like, oh, no. I'm honestly expecting a double bottom on a few stocks. Okay, that was a little bit disappointing. Let's go back to the paper trade. Paper trade is still going. Yep, that was a little bit disappointing. Went beautifully into the 50% on ES. Did it? Let me not lie to you guys. Yep. Beautiful. Basically nearly wicked in and now going back down. Mother fluffer. Yeah. I mean, can't say that anymore. How far away was this? Okay, yeah, it was like 3.5 points away. So not close enough for me to be grumpy about it. But still close enough for me to be a bit like, seriously. Correct idea, just didn't reach that level. Would have been an awesome win though. Let's watch and see. Like I said, took out this liquidity point over here on the 15-minute. Let's see how it reacts at 588. Good push there. This I just followed down. I'm curious to see. I probably won't take this though. It's a tad bit too big for me, especially during London. London, let's not push it. Are you more long or short on things? Tyler, for now, still sticking with the shorty shorts until proven otherwise. Like I said, on the paper trade, check, this is the paper trade I have going. Move this down slightly. Let's move this to here. Nah, screwed.
That's what she said.
Keep it at 170. Mario, G-Man too noisy for you. I got you, boom. Yeah. Atlanta, what's up? How are we doing? What is the 1 minute too noisy for you? Is that what you're saying? Oh, man. Bleep. Okay. Have the 1 minute time, if you know, look for. You can still get in the short. Winning and grinning, baby. Atlanta deeply offended. So on the paper trade, you took it perfect amount of fun. You tried to find an entry too late. Trust yourself and trade line. Did on the paper trade. So Andre, on this one, the reason I didn't take this one is because this one was a B setup. The A plus, well, the second one was actually an A plus setup. I say I already take the A plus setups on the funded, but it's why I'm kind of testing. I'm testing the B setups on the paper now to see their worth. That sounds, you know, like if I can start trusting them. There's a reason the A pluses are A pluses, right? Because I trust them, they tend to work out pretty often. So now I'm kind of forward testing, in a way, the B setups to see if they actually, if I need to promote them, rather. Start calling them A setups, and then the A plus can be A plus plus plus. You predict a wiki pull down towards the 1 hour low. Yeah. What else am I supposed to? I had a dream about you, Debbie. You tried to cook something, but it was on the cheese. What? What do you mean, who am I going to see? Let's do this. So with this A plus setup, like I said, it would have been a bit too big for me to take. But this pullback, this technically is still A plus. So I have this set up. Let's see how it reacts here. Is it going to continue? Yes, no, maybe. I see the Wi-Fi is having a little bit of a moment. You look like a model. Oh, thanks. I think. Yeah, that's okay. Thank you. I don't think I'd ever be able to be a model. For one core reason. People say act normal when you're supposed to like do modeling or photo shoots or something, and then I panic because I don't know what normal is. Because naturally my normal is weird as heck. So when they like act normal, I'm like, ugh. I'm honestly give Jay ammunition. Why don't you? I believe I've already made in forex today in market trading with VPN. I could quit today and make a yearly salary. Then Tyler, why don't you? Out of curiosity, do you enjoy your work? I'm assuming it's that. I'm not trying to let it fall. Oh man, that's insane. If you walked within 10 foot of me, you'd be. What a statement. What a statement to have read right there, but okay. Okay, my head now hurts. That's funny. Tyler, you're happy to be happy, I'm glad. Oh, that hurt my brain cells to a next level. Oh no. 10 seconds. I'm out to think about your actions. Solly, you're hilarious. Okay, so anyone else in a trade? How's it looking? We happy, sad, meh? Do I add one on this? Oh, why not? Is this being dumb? Potentially. Screw it. We do paper to learn lessons and figure things out, so meh, what difference does it make? Alright, Emma. Have a good one. Cheers, Atlanta. I can't stay in a house all day. I have seen... Does that make sense? No. What's that? It do not make sense. I'm confused. We added. Let's see what this does. How it reacts. Oh! Let's see if it would have hit over here. Wow. Damn, so much for my A+. That would have hurt all of my feelings all at once. It came to take out the wick list, didn't it? Wow. Wow. Just wow. Okay, on ES it would have been a break even. Damn. Okay then. So literally tapped into that 588. Yeah. Literally tapped into that 588 and rejected solidly off of that. I should have actually made TP at 588. See? We learn things. Those major liquidity levels do be there for a reason. Haha. Okay. Now on to the next. I plan on buying a submarine to try and explore. They're pushing the price against their own accounts. They clean out my funds. I shake my head. Oh, I'm sorry. that sucks. Okay. So that one didn't tag me, and if it had, it would have literally tagged me in and instantly hit my stop loss, which was mean. Okay. Like I said, 588 was literally that liquidity level. Did I mark it incorrect? No. Marked it correctly on the 15-minute. Oh, ellipses. Let's see what we get. Now there's a little bit of a volume imbalance over there. I'm definitely switching to the prop rooms. Have you tried it yet, Black Card? How was it? Most of the market is running on liquidity short squeezes. Have a Valium. And just chill out. Ah, man, guys. A channel has formed now. I'm gonna try another long just to prove it to you now, but I haven't used it yet now. Sure, go for it. Everyone is afraid of war. With good reason, right? War is not exactly gonna be a pretty situation to be in. I'm gonna do another long and watch how the price with big red candles come down immediately. I need a grandpa, my head is sore. Hammer, then go. Do you know what I use? I use Gen Pain. I don't know why. I use Gen Pain for everything and it works. So yeah, that's my go-to. When I have a headache or anything, that is my go-to. Don't know why. I don't know if it's also like low-key a placebo effect. Okay, you're only letting it lose 100 to test what they're doing. Retapped into there with a solid rejection. This is a paper trade. Testing something. Again, could be very, very wrong, but testing it, because why not? Chill dude market is watching us. Dun, dun, you know, yeah. Cheers, Mario G-Man. See you in New York. Testing it. Literally testing this bob to bob. I can't drink Panado. It does absolutely nothing. But Gen Pain's not Panado. Oh damn. Okay then. When it reaches $50, so basically 1 to 1 hour, I'll go to break even. Seriously? Told you. No ways, Blackheart. It did not just happen when you made that. That is insane. Why am I so set on this? The cells, actually. I'm really set on the cells today for some reason. Huh. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right here is a bit of a B setup. Oh, verging on not even being a B setup. I'm testing this one out as well. Said I'll take the Bs. This is verging on not really being a B setup, so do I have high hopes for it? Me. But let's do it. Giving myself some room though. Yeah, it would be a break-even situation. What the heck? Why are the B setups working like a dream today? Bruh. Alrighty then. Seriously? Wow. Right then. Okay, let's make it 50. Sorry, normally TP would have been there. Oh, actually, do you know what I can do? I can do that. Let's make this. So sell stop, take one out. No, take this out, take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out. Here we go. Oh, I did the wrong one. Oh dear. Oh, that was a mistake, but I guess we're going with it now. Okay, let's try that again. Too late. Whoopsies. Okay, if I had done things like a normal human being. My bad, I did that like an absolute chopstick. That was supposed to be. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Is this on the funded? It's not. Boom, it's not on the funded. Should have been. Like I said, this was actually a B setup. Worked beautifully though. Apparently it's B for beautiful today. Both of the B setups. Mwah. The A setup would have been a loss. Literally would have wicked out and then gone down. Rude. Looks like the buyers want to come, they're just not winning. No, I've never understood the point of COB or A setups because most of them time and will end up taking it anyways. Better to buy individual stock. Oops. Okay, if I had done that properly, my bad. The bob one should still be going. Okay. Listen properly. What's up, Hammer? Okay. So the B1's be working out today. B for booty. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, nice. Look up the orb. That's all you need. Hey, Pipstar. So you use the orb strategy? No, don't worry. I know the orb strategy. I know it. Well, I say well. I have forward tested it. I don't like it works. Eh. How to even evaluate if it's B or C backtesting stats? Yeah, basically. Sorry. Backtesting stats, the amount of confluences, because obviously the more confluences, the better opportunity. Better the odds are, maybe? I don't like using the words odds. Feelings, YOLO. Oh gosh. That's hilarious. Dag nabbit. Okay, so looks like it's heading down to where full TP was. That's just so weird she convinced it. Ay, you guys. Solly, does that kind of make sense? Or not really? I know you're one of them. Right. Iguave is talking from experience over here. Sorry, I'm just quickly looking at these. Okay. Oh, it's clinch now. Great clinch right now. It's very much better to not trade futures. Okay, sorry. Just literally yesterday's conversation said literally the exact opposite. I'm a natural gas and energy is rallying. Nice, Rolf. Had an interesting conversation. Well, not me. Rather, my parents had an interesting conversation with someone that was working in the diamond mines. Because you know that you can now make diamonds, right? Like you get lab-grown diamonds. Real man. One time I was really when I said, "He's a detective with me." Ah, real men use a water bottle. You guys are too funny. Man, y'all are too funny. Okay, still nothing. Had my A+ didn't come and tag me in. If it had tagged me in, it would have been a winner. Which is why I took it down. Stopped being A+ when it went back down. This B one was actually really good. Frustrating, but it is what it is. Synthetic. Yeah, so Debbie, basically he was saying that the diamond mines, well, actually all gem mines are in a little bit of trouble because obviously you can get these lab-grown things for a whole lot cheaper. So, and there's virtually no difference apart from one is natural, one's not. How long did it take you to get used to talking to your computer? To be fair, it probably took me like a week. Not even. I'm used to talking to myself. Sadness. Damn, I just got a Friday notification. I'm sitting here like, no ways, it's Friday already. Where are you moving to? Are you going back to where you live? Are you going to your mom? I'm definitely not going to my mom. But I'm not going back to the same place I live, but a similar area. $565 runners. Did it get you? Oh, it just missed you! Mr. Umi, gosh. Under a scope, you can tell the lab-grown lab is a good business to be in. Yep. I'm out 25 ticks, nice. Do you miss? Well, no, well, boom. Boom. There won't be any monkeys there, that side of the world, can tell you that much. Going back to Gauteng. I'm in KZN right now. You find yourself turning to the microwave for some morning chat sometimes, that is rough. No, I just talked to Perry. Hey, do I talk to you? Yeah, you finished all your sweeties, but I can't help you. That boy disappeared off the map. Yeah, I don't know where he went. Price rejected. Your bob level? Yeah, solidly. Solid rejection. So, the bob to bob trade, if I'd left it how it was, right? The entry was here. Yeah. There's the bob to bob trade. Put a bit of banger. Just like that. It's a really good bob to bob trade right there. Theoretically, trying this. A buy there because it rejected so properly. This one might be pushing it, but if we're doing bob to bob, with a solid rejection it did here. Entry should have actually been down here, but you know, close enough. TP back up here. So no monkeys, no? You have monkey hammer? What? You have monkeys? Wait, what? 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 Do you think your dog thinks you're crazy for talking to your monitor? Probably. I think he judges me every single day. That's why he comes and lies here with me, because he's like, this one's not okay. This one needs help. He probably sees me as his rescue. He's like, this is my rescue human. This one has a lot of issues. Gotta take extra good care of her. We need the monkeys on the roof. No, put your horse on a dive for 1 month and use the profit to buy another 50k. Oh! No. But another 50k strictly for bob to bob trades. What, and trade it basically like this. When I see something that I'm like, oh, this could be a bob to bob. Take it. Let me have absolutely not though. I have to call it a night early today. Aw, chill, Lucky Mon, enjoy. Yeah. Index gotta be a sport. We all have my. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, Hammer, that makes lots of sense. I have friends that live in Hearties. Yeah, screw it. Let's make it there. It should be there. If I lose more, I lose more, but I'm trying to keep it as it should be. Theoretically, I should actually have it below there. Anyways, looks like it's going for a little loss, but I'm testing this rejection and. Emma, let me have a monkey. I'm gonna train it. Wow. Mr. Umi, you're saying 555? Seems very likely. Like I said, I'm just kind of testing the Bob's Bob level right now. Because that was a solid rejection. Entry over here, it would have been a win if I hadn't have messed around with it a bit. Oops, my bad. This one, like I said, solid rejection. Entry should have been here. But let's see what this looks like. My new dad, Solly. Cheers, Tyler. Enjoy. Solly, congrats, you're a father. Don't know if you ever asked for that, but here we are. Yay! Congratulations! See you in the morning. Wow. Okay, a little bit stuck at the midnight magnet over there. Let's see what happens. Still in this thing. He has a new 28-year-old son. Maya, can I be the mother? Wow, Solly has a son older than him. Damn, Solly. You start young, huh? If this works, I'm gonna be shooketh. Straight up shooketh. I've always wanted to be a dad. Do all the things I missed out on as a child. Oh, this just got a little bit depressing. But anyways, moving on. He's got 2 children. He needs to support us. Wow. Okay. What absolute BS is this? Anyways, I really should just start trading Bob's Bob levels. Look at this. So a quick look-see here at this. It's a no-go for my entry for a buy. Ooh, I made a proper little volume imbalance there on ES. I'm gonna move this up because if it comes that far back down, it's most likely not going to. Seriously? You love my channel, thank you! Aw, mad love. You're an absolute sweetie pie. Okay, leave it there. Don't mess with it. I wanted to mess with it. I was like, leave it alone. A strategy is working until you a pattern recognition software is flagged another Bob's Bob as your 3rd most used. Are you serious? What's my 1st most used phrase? Market to the moon? It's a fake. That's hilarious. What's my first most used phrase? I am genuinely now very curious. Don't think it's gonna go that far back down. Come on, just keep pushing. You've got this. What's up, Lavender? How we doing? Are you good? How's the trading been? This is a paper trade, not on my phone. That's hilarious. My buddy got a job at the pie bakery. He's worried about the high turnover rate. Wow. Where? Huh. Cool. Okay. Good, I was just saying your first most used phrase would be anyways, maybe. Oh. I mean, probably. I do say that quite often. Wee, kidoki. Flipping Bob to Bob, man. Okay, I thought today was going to be testing the B setups. Apparently B was for Bob. Testing the Bob setups today. Let's see if we get another rejection here. Bruh. Going down my mom's birthday. Aww! Cheers, Ham. Are you guys doing a bri? I had to ask. Hammer always does bros. I will find it a personal middle finger if you don't invite me to a bri. I'm just saying. How dare you not invite a stranger to a bri? Ah, flip. Okay. Wee! Here we go, apparently. Gosh darn. This thing is doing insane stuff. My I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Ham is always here for a good old bride time. Ham is here for a bride time, not a long time. I'll see myself out for that one. That was terrible. Wow. Wow, guys, I need better jokes. $4.14. You bought it the little white candle on the way up. Oh, nice. Nice entry. Okay, I'm getting cold. I need a jersey. It's getting chilly. When you gonna get a man so we can bully him? What? Why? Why do you want to bully someone? That's mean, boom. I always knew you were a bully, but at least you're not bullying me anymore, so you know. That sounds like a hoot of a time. Wow. Wow. Little be back and look, yeah. It's gold. I'm just a baby. Bit of an old baby, but still. Let's do this. It's fine. I desperately need a haircut, guys. It's bad. Anyways, moving on. Oh my gosh, I do say that a lot. Thanks, Lavender. You've now like completely shattered the glass of how often I flipping say that. You have this exact jacket, really? That is awesome. It is very nice. It's a very nice jacket, just saying. We gotta make sure he can handle us. That's hilarious. What is this, like a bit of a y'all are my big brothers type of situation? And if he's not good enough, he's in trouble. If Price comes back inside the channel, you're going to sleep? I don't even know. If I'm not mistaken, I think I actually stole this from one of my friends. Probably. If I read. Let me check the label. No, I don't think it's actually from Cotton On. It says 1996 premium authentic quality superior goods. Whatever that means. Oh, sorry. Don't stop saying it. It makes you you. Aw, thank you. Oh, guys. Apparently I have weird little sayings that I don't even realize. I feel like now. But yes, I say bob to bob quite often, apparently. Anyways, moving on. Pretty often as well. Let's do this. I say that often. Straight out of New York. So from 50. Oh? Does it have the V shape at the bottom on the back? No. My out your stealing jackets, all the most of the people in the chat. That's hilarious. Okay, wait, let's actually find out now. Essentials. What would you call this? A jacket? Puffer. I wouldn't really call this a puffer, but it has puffer on it. Oh, bye, Hannah! Cream jacket? Nope, can't find it. No idea. Nope. Not a clue. Oh well. Okay. Let's see what we get you. Hey, Lukey, what's up? How you doing? Low-key sideways. A little bit more to the bare side of life, but we did just have quite a decent push. But it is, ooh, let's see, we did create a bit of a higher low over here and a new higher high here, but it is yet, it's more just been taking out the internal liquidity. Yeah, that's crazy to think about. Wasn't existing yet, and someone was walking around high as hell in that code. No, so to be fair, I think the 1996 Essentials brand. Yeah. I think it's a brand. Do you know, every time I read that, I think about llamas. Is it called llamas and hats? But Carl, that kills people, Carl. If you don't know that, please go watch it. It's hilarious. Think you did not turn basically weekly gold trim yet. I longed yesterday, I suppose I longed today too. Okay, there we go. Today, have a great day. Oh, cheers, Rolf. Enjoy. Mad love. Have a great day today. Bye. We're still doing this. Can I help you, sir?
Hello, we'll go for a walk later.
I decided I wouldn't go for a walk this morning. I'll go for a walk midday to stop my feet getting so cold. Go for a walk in the sun. Force me to touch grass, in this case sand. Touch grass betwixt the trading sessions. You show your age with that one. Hello. Well, I mean, have you watched it, Solly? Have you watched it? If the answer is yes,
Why are you so adorable?
yeah.
Why are you so cute?
There's no more sweeties. Do you want to sniff the bag? Look, all done. All done. All finished. Sorry. There's crumbs. That's it. It's finished. I'm so sorry. Yeah, my babysitter used to put it on the Come again? Your babysitter put it on the That's not a thing for children to- How old were you? That's not what you let little kids watch. Okay. I'm a little bit sad now. Moving on. The wet sand is warmer than the dry sand for me right now. That's weird. That's weird. Why? 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 OTT, good morning. Goodness, did you only wake up now? Or have you been awake? Outside temperature is colder than the water. Wow. Wow, no. No. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Also, why are there so many sharks in Australia right now? Isn't that weird? I feel like that's weird. Now I'm done with Asia. You tired? Okay, so you were sleeping? Or were you playing games? A little bit of both. Okay, OTT, before you become Otiana, Holly hasn't showed up yet, so I was trading Asia and got a win. Nice. What the heck, OTT? You're killing it recently. Well done. I'm just over here being killed. No, that's a lie. Well. The Bob to Bob one's working like a dream. Yeah, that's about it. God, it's gonna be so proud. You have to find your dream woman first, OTT. They stopped for 25 years and getting smashed by rain right now, so all the inland lakes are spilling and the fish into the sea. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I wouldn't think. No. Okay. It does make sense. I would like an A+ setup to appear. But I know that that's just not how it works. Should we try this? Might be pushing it. Is it though? If it keeps rejecting off that midpoint. Okay, screw it. Let's see. Does it look on the 5 minute? Don't know if it'll go all the way down. Potentially there to that volume imbalance over there. At what level's that? 600. Whole number. Let's watch and see how it reacts here. It did tap slightly into that order block. If it continues up, we should be good. This is going sideways. Okay, moving on. Battery on each arm and Inky on the heart. Wow. Need to learn the ADA session for when you move to Tokyo. So you wrap it up like not too bad. Actually, decent volatility. It's completely last year. I would sit through 25-point ranges. Wow. No, wait. No, that's correct. Huh, interesting. Would have been a potential little break even here. Trying to, nope, don't do it. I'm trying to be like, no, maybe you should trade in the bob levels, but I feel like it's proven me right too many times to do that. Real party boy. Let's see, we are apparently just forward testing the bob levels today. Until I potentially get something. This is gonna come back down. Maybe it wants to take out the external liquidity first. Decent rejection of that midpoint. Let's see, 2, 1. See if it continues to reject off that midpoint. Hey, what's up, Tyler? How you doing? I'm still just watching this right now, to be fair. Let's see what we get if it comes back down here and works out. However, let's see. Let's see. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's see. Still trying to sleep. Am I like just on in the background and you're just listening? Apparently I'm so boring that I put people to sleep. Nice. That's cool. That's cool. I won't complain about that. Maybe I have a very soothing voice. Or I just talk too much. Or I'm very monotone. There's 3 options. Why? We're going out for a good time in August. What's happening in August? Why? What? Seriously, what's happening in August? What? I've been working for 26 hours. No, that, like I said, that's still ridiculous. And then you have tomorrow off. Ah, there we go. We've stopped rejecting. I'm cracked it, but so yeah, I agree. I just got back on for a second. All I heard is that you finally admit that you talk too much. Wow. Okay. Okay, Atlanta. I'm gonna... If I just sat here in silence, would you guys prefer that? I don't think so. I don't think you guys would prefer it if I just sat here dead quiet. That would be awkward. I watched a whole 20-minute Tori video for research because I couldn't hit on her from shorts. I had to watch a video, and while watching, I realized why I hit on her. I did it for science! I'm visiting my friend there. Oh, okay. You keep me up, your voice is- Aww, thanks, Jose. You're a sweetie pie. Oh, I have tomorrow off, but not exactly how you think. You're gonna have to elaborate on that one then. Atlanta, that was terrible. A true scientist doing it for the people. Shall we? Are we doing? Oh, okay. Bet. We're gonna test it, guys. I'm gonna be dead quiet for 5 minutes. Yeah? Bring it on. Okay. 5 minutes of pure silence. In 3, 2, 1. Wow, you guys are mean. Wow. Wow, y'all are bullies. You are so mean to me. Oh my gosh, I'm reading this. Wow. I thought we were friends. Damn, y'all are mean. I'm confused. Why is everyone saying creepy things while she isn't talking? Because apparently I talk too much, and when I don't talk, I'm... Anyways. Anyways. Unsubscribe. Everybody mask back on. Noise pollution is back. Wow, Solly mean as heck. Damn, that noise pollution thing got me. That nearly made me talk. Anyway, so Tyler, what is my favorite TV series? Probably Friends. I really like Friends. I haven't watched that in a while though, but maybe even Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Brooklyn Nine-Nine's pretty good. Here comes the verbal. Wow. I don't know why you guys are hating on me right now. Unnecessary. Let us continue. I was gonna say we're a little bit stuck here. We are a little bit stuck here, but let's see how it reacts. How's this look on the 5-minute? Let's go back here. Still rejecting, cool. Okay. Brooklyn Nine-Nine hits. I'm definitely in Office. To be fair, The Office is awesome, but they don't have it on Netflix, which is a bit of a bummer. They used to have it on Netflix. I would love for it to go back onto Netflix so that I can watch it again. I've only ever watched it properly once. But yeah, Brooklyn Nine-Nine's good. I love it. You remind me of Jennifer Aniston. Thank you. What do you... I don't know. What version of there's 2 versions? What do you mean? The Office only got taken off because of bad humor. Okay, but then I feel like a lot of TV series should be taken off because of the bad humor. Ah. Can't beat the original Office. The who now? Oh. See, I did not know that. I did. This one. This is the one I saw. Yeah. This one with Jim and... Is this the one you're thinking of, or is there another one? With Michael Scott. The English one is much funnier. Oh? Where can I watch this one now? Because now I kind of want to watch this one. I did not know that they were 2. I literally didn't know that they were 2 different, What? Well, now I really want to watch this one. Damn. Okay, where can I go and watch this? Okay, let's see. Ah, the English one is much funnier. Oh, okay, I see we have We have debates here when little kids are cool. Yeah, you know, it's hilarious. No, so that's a remake of the US crowd. Huh. Oh, good to Ricky. But the US one don't get cancelled. Oh, that then makes sense. And I guess we know what you'll be doing in your spare time for the next month and a half. The Ricky disrespect is crazy. Softies over. Rough, okay. Okay, so broken above. That one now goes bye-bye. Okay, let's see what we get here. Okay, we're gonna wait for some more confirmations. Hey, Ricky is an absolute legend. I do agree with you on that one. Specifically, sorry, I'm one of those people, but specifically his views on animals, I'm just like, yep, he is awesome. I don't really find American humor that funny. Makes sense. That makes sense. 443. I'm just gonna have to now try and find it so that I can watch it. Watch all the episodes of The Office I love. Don't call me soft. I have many things to protect myself. Okay. Okay. Oh! Hey, look who it is. Kalani, how you doing? Bruh, that is insane. Okay, I'm not even going near that. We're staying so far out of that, it's not even funny. Anyways, moving on. Oh my gosh. Time is going backwards right now. Time is literally going backwards right now. Come on, charts, give me something good. Didn't tap in there, unfortunately. Let's do this thing. Okay. Has anyone gotten any other trades yet or not really? Are we all just kind of waiting at the same problem? It's very strange. It's like I feel like the point I can just hop on the computer and earn money, but it's kind of boring me. I mean, that's a good problem to have, Atlanta. I literally don't want to trade. I have to force myself to do it. Why don't you then take a break? I guess you took a break a little while ago, didn't you? I mean, do you have to trade? If you don't have to trade, why don't you then take a break? You're right, we need to be bored, make the money, log off and go do something fun with the rest of your day. Solly has a point. Log on, take the trade where you want. go out and do something that you didn't want to do. Haha! Sorry. For my effect, it didn't happen yesterday's New York session. I went back on and I was like, please don't say it happened, please don't say it happened. And I looked and I was like, yes, it didn't happen. We're winning. Are we though? Because this is something else. This is really just an absolute bunch of BS. I don't have to, but I would like to earn a lot from it. Kalani, have you thought about looking for the next setup with your strategy? You see the setup in a larger time frame, then look for it in a smaller time frame. I have, but just unfortunately the trades are sometimes then just too big to take, in all honesty. It's like saying people in front of you don't get in and buy wild animals, but it still happens. Then do it for yourself and stop being bored. What? You're secretly trading off a phone to mess up our day. Wow. First of all, I don't even have a trading thing on my phone because then I might do dumb things. Let's just be real. I might do dumb things. And the whole point is that I take all the things online. Like there's nothing, some weird humans. Yeah, what I'm explaining is the fact that this is all involuntary feelings that I'm having that I don't quite understand. Yeah, that's called being a human, right? Being a human means you have these emotions that don't always make sense, even if... How do I put this? You can't logic your way out of emotions. Trust. I've tried. You cannot logic your way out of emotions. I've sometimes felt anxious and I've like talked myself through everything, being like, there's no point to be anxious. I'm not just speaking about like trading now, I'm talking like everyday things. Even though logic literally dictates that you shouldn't be feeling anxious. Still felt anxious. Being a human sucks. Just name a country where that happens. Oh. Take the smaller time frame in the direction of the larger setup. Take a profit on half in the smaller time frame and hold the other half for the... Interesting. Interesting. Okay. 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 Let's test it. Let's test it. Let's check the 15 minute because the 15 minutes is normally a good place to start, right? Okay, maybe not today. Cool. But let's say for argument's sake, right? Argument's sake, let me get comfy here. Let's do this. There. So I would have liked entry here. Okay, which gave possibly a good, decent sign that we were going to maybe retrace down. No guarantee that it's going to retrace down though, but once taken here, aim for a buy. So let's now go back to the 5 minutes, see if we get some confirmation on the 5 minute. Okay. The 5 minute, decent setup. Would there have been anything else around here that I liked? I mean, in the 5 minute also this. So I'm gonna draw a bunch of them to then see. Okay, now the 1 minute. Let me check inside the 1 minute now. Well, okay, so one minute's for that forming. Nope. Probably would have actually been a break-even trade for me there, unfortunately. Let's see here. Absolutely nothing here. Sorry. Just speaking with regards to this one here. No retest, no nothing. To get in on this buy. All the way back up. I'm seeing how I would do this. Remember me when you buy your Lambo. Imagine you said it's not entering this total self-understanding. It's just frustrating. The very logical and math-minded person. Now that makes sense. If you've been running off of logic for so long, sorry, I'm talking to Atlanta now. If you've been running off of logic for so long and now emotion is coming into play, I can imagine it's very frustrating because why, right? Just why is this now a thing that is appearing? Kalani, what time frame? Normally the 1 minute. You guys have stopped to think who told you you were supposed to read, write, spell, etc. Other people? Atlanta? She said Atlanta first. Sonny, are you just like, what is happening? Guys, I'm just low-key reading this. Why? Is it the time of year or something? I feel like everyone is being very dramatic this time of year. I know it's like mid-year, maybe that's it. It's mid-year dramas. Everything's a little all over the place. Where's Perry? Sorry, give me 2 seconds, seeming as this is giving me nothing. Nope, giving me nothing right now. Sorry, I was talking to myself there. Okay, I just have to make sure. Okay. In South and North America is America, even though they're different countries in both continents. Try looking for your setup on the 3 minute and then look for the 1 minute. Next trade, okay. Why the 3 minute though? Out of curiosity, why is 3 minute better than like the 2 minute, for example? Genuine question, genuine curiosity. Man, make my Australians proud and think the hope. I'm not getting involved in this conversation. Okay. So let's see. Theoretically, I would prefer over here. Let's go with this. Trade 0.5. Let's see how this works out. No. Looking at the 3 minute. This is not bad. Let's check 2 minute. And then the 1 minute. Testing some things over here. Why not? Like I said, I am testing. Oh, this is paper. Who cares? So let's take this on the paper, shall we? As a buy. Stop loss would be down here. And TP. Oh, nailed it. Okay, so sorry. Let's test it out. Uh, 2 minutes would make sense, but 3 minutes is a better fractal. Nice. Well, do it. Next to my. Black card, no, it would be a buy. I mean, theoretically, you could sell to that level. Let's give it a go. Sell to this level here. Let's have TP. There. Like I said, I'm low-key messing around and testing some things here out of curiosity. Let's go for it. Okay. Let's see, slowly down to this buy limit over here. We are testing some things, because why not? What is happening to what? I feel like I need to put everyone on the timeout. Blue Ocean, what's up? How you doing? I get it every time I say. Oh, good grief. Let's see. Yep. Nope, this is why we don't mess around with that type of stuff right there. Goodness gracious. That did not work at all. This is why you test things. Aw, come back. Ew, I'm conflicted about this one. Came and took some liquidity there. Now rejecting off the 50%. Seriously? Blue Ocean, Oh, number one, this is a paper trade. I'm messing around. Blue ocean analysis. Calm down. Anyways. Fuck. I'm not getting involved in this chat anymore. Okay, this goes against what I normally like doing. Let's see, but we're testing it, so why not? Not... Okay. This is the fun of paper trading. You can mess around a little bit and have some fun with it. I'm just not... I'm pretending nothing is going on. I'm just here looking at the chart. I'm just gonna focus on the chart right now. That's all that matters. Just a little chit chat. I do want to see it go back up, but I want to see if it pops into here. Let's give it a little bit of benefit of the doubt there. Put that there. See where this goes. Shorting has allowed black card for the reverse and then down in the trend. Big British bear. I got a roar on them. Wow. Technically not a bad trade, but I don't like that it's in the bob level. You know me and bob levels. Not a fan of taking trades inside of them, which is why I'm paper trading this one. What's up, Dev Josh? You've come at such a weird time. I've almost like stopped reading the chat right now. I'm not getting involved. Mess up the flow of things 100% of the way, but we'll knock it down 8% to make you buy back a little. What you should. What is going on today? Damn, chat all over the place today. Okay. 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 Just okay. Just okay. That's all. That's all. Still watching to see what we get. If this goes up now, seriously, would have just missed tagging me in. That's a Batman origin story. Okay. Let's see how it reacts here. So it's going against a lot of things. Just saying, and just putting it out there. Looking at like Bob trades, for example, entry for a sell would be over here. Very deep thought. Let's see how this behaves. Potentially, we might get an A plus setup here, actually, ironically, for a short. Further back down. Shorting is a really good... shorting is a really good concept, gone horribly wrong. This is the challenge. Hello, Jay. Is Jay reading all of this, by the way? Please, everyone, stop shorting. I thought that was... Let the hedge funds have the shorts. But if it's a short market, why would you go against it? Blackheart and Atlanta. I feel like I should put this conversation like okay. Is Maya throwing up in the bathroom or something? What? Atlanta, what on earth do you mean? Oh, damn, okay. Theoretically, you should go to break even now. With how choppy it is, maybe not. But anyways, that was very close to being a stop loss, but... Hey ho, here we go. I think shorting was my creep. But London, I want to show them doing their bit. Yeah, Kalani, this is very interesting right now. Do you see how I'm not discussing what y'all are discussing? I'm staying out of it. Alani, you say you're gonna make me rich. I love it. Appreciate you. Oh, missed my TP. But these guys take it too far and short the thing into a penny stock. Oh, okay, Atlanta. I get it. I get what you're going for right now. Understand? Rejected off of there again. Okay, so it worked. It did go down to that volume imbalance. So the volume imbalances are actually annoyingly good. Let's see this now. It's probably gonna come and take me out, but that's okay. That TP is for half. No. Okay. That one actually would have worked. Shoot. Don't prove me wrong with the trading and the bob level situation, because then it makes me want to do silly goose things. Okay, so that one worked. Let's now follow this up. At least reaches up there. Okay. I should have halved the 3-minute TP. Kalani, to be fair, I think the 3-minute one was basically this one. Wait, no, is this the 3-minute one? Now I'm just following this again. Let's see how this reacts here. This one is... Okay. Stop should be back on the history, my friend. It appears that you... I noticed W patterns go up and M patterns. Yeah. Blackheart, that is generally what the W and M's do, but I'm not really good at noticing the W and M patterns. Or the problem is I notice too many of them that are then not the correct W and M pattern. I don't know how to explain it. I have attempted to trade the W and the M patterns. It went terribly. Am I talking much good here? Again, like I said, I am literally not getting involved in this. Okay, let's see how this reacts here. 1, 2... Technically, not a bad trade at all. Again, I just don't like taking these trades in above level. Even though it low-key looks like this is where we're stuck at for today, so... The little red markings, these ones? So I have taken a trade. Is that what you're asking, Atlanta? You'll be nice. Okay. Okay. I'm putting an end to this discussion. Okay? We're done. Be nice to one another. Being a human being in general is hard enough. I've tried all kinds of things to get over the fact that I don't want to trade it, but clearly... I feel like I'm gonna have to break down and go to counselor. I mean, if psychology would help, why not, right? If the logic is failing you, you gotta learn how to deal with the emotions. Here comes the rip to the 3-minute TP. Packable. Monty. No, 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 come on, guys. No, there's better things we could be doing with our time, right? Like going outside into fresh air, believe it or not, fresh air does help. I need to practice what I preach here, but seriously. Go take a walk, go do things outside. Maybe away from other people, but outside. Oh, thanks, Calm. I'm so not exaggerating. I really don't know. Guys, can you use a multi-leg strategy on Tradeify? Blackheart, you just have to go and double check the rules, in all honesty. History. I feel like I need a break for it. I can't short my own money. Oh, you have a horse, you're probably outside more than all of us combined. Lavender, to be fair, I haven't been able to see him in like going on 2 months now. Going on 3 months now. So he went up the 13th of April, 13th May, 13th of June. Yeah, going on 3 months now, which sucks. I'm very excited to go back up to Joburg so that I can see him every day. It's why I force myself to go out and take walks, so that I do go outside, or else I just stay indoors all the time. Okay, Miguave, I was about to say, careful, I said enough. Can we please talk about trading? Please? Not substances and oh my good actual grief. Okay, who's in a trade right now? Is anyone looking for something? Does anyone see anything they like? This is... Y'all have given me a headache today. I'm sending 25 bond ETF and treasury. There we go. Nice. Nice. Back to trading. All of you. Gosh, I feel like I have to be a mom right now, telling everyone to like sit down and be quiet and behave. I have to see my stocks move up. Okay, yeah, for your investments. Black card. Makes sense. I'm gonna trade. I'm waiting 1 hour and 40 minutes to get 2 more. Oh, what is... You're too cute to... No, Debbie, don't, nope, we're not carrying on. We're not, this ending discussion. Wow, I really do. I feel like I'm having to be a little bit like a mom right now. Stop. When you get really mad, I just smile. Going back to 1,000 for a minute and the rest, I will tell you if you'd like. They just won't be day trades. Okay. Hopefully this will be fine. Oh. Later. Oh, my head hurts. Oh, my head hurts. Okay. Let's keep watching the shenanigans that are happening over here right now. Oh, we have not done butterfly of the day. Okay, I'm gonna change topic. Let's do butterfly of the day. The butterfly of the day. Random butterfly generator. Why they're off the leash? Honestly, it's in their blood. Oh gosh. You will not defeat me. You'll have given me a headache for the rest of the day. Like crazy chicks. Oh. Yeah, so I think it is the execution markers. What do you call them? Literally just look like little execution arrows. That sounds weird, but anyways. Generating a what? A funereal dusky wing? cool. Okay. Butterfly. So it's a small darting butterfly belonging to the skipper family. Oh, I thought so. It looks a little bit like a skipper. Commonly known as female dusky wing species of butterfly family. Okay, so this one's in North America. What do you think is going to be a good... Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this website. Let's see how this looks. Okay. So this is the little butterfly. He's quite cute. He's very small. This is a small dude. It's a little small guy. Wow, these are not very good photos. There we go. That's a better one. So, wingspan of 3.4 to 4.5 centimeters. Life history, eggs are laid singly and I am solidly malfunctioning right now. I can't speak properly anymore. Okay. Flight 3 broods from March to December. Cool. Adult food is flower nectar. Cool. Habitat is deserts, warm and arid lowlands, and roadsides. Range is Southern California, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. South to Argentina. Strays north to northern Illinois. Northeast Nebraska, central Colorado, southern Nevada, and central California. Conservation not usually required, so they're probably pretty common. Cool, you can see here where they're at. This is quite cool. All around here. Oh, but it sounds like it goes further down. Go away. Detailed record, historical record. So yeah, they tend to just chill around here. Nice. This is quite a cool little map thing. And we can see exactly where it goes. Okay, nice. Let's go. Let's have a look at some better photos of him. This is our little butterfly of the day. Awesome sauce. Now we can go back to the charts. Have we ended this discussion? Mikuwabe, stop it. Also, I'm gonna put you on a timeout. Bro. Okay. Anyways, back we go. We self-advertise it, everything levitates, flirting with Monty. Oh my gosh. I'm looking younger today. What did I do? I don't know. I got too much sleep. Maybe that's the key. Sleep. Oh, it might actually be on there. Gosh, you're 17. Be careful. No, I did not advertise. You said you like. I just saved a £30 snapping turtle off the road. Now he's very confused. You sound a little dyslexic. Probably am. Because the kind of... Another goatee done. What in your range? No. My brain creates these smart comments, and then my fingers just start typing. She's 17, absolutely not, young lady, behave. What's up? She's not 17. My brain hurts after today. Y'all are hurting my brain. Okay, correct idea, just didn't come back that far. Moving on. We're just gonna keep on moving on. Honestly, 5:27. We've done our butterfly of the day. I don't know how to bring this conversation back to normality. That just didn't go even close to there either. Please, I'm just gonna keep following for funsies. Let's see. Wait. Bye. Taking a bob to bob. Let's see here. Stop loss should low-key be there. TP now. It's to be here. It's quite quick to get in on that one, so maybe that's not gonna work out very well. But anyways, yeah, because of that rejection off there. 1, 2. This is a B setup. It's gonna mess up this if I take that now, so we'll just have to take note of how it reacts here. Okay, let's see what we get. All the noise and definitions are just blah blah blah. Oh my goodness. I'm an American. What's I'm sorry, there we go. Just roll with the punches. Microwave. Careful. Second warning. One more warning and I'll put you on a timeout. Let's talk option animation. Guys, can we have a normal conversation? Is that possible? I feel like potentially not today, but... Anyways, hi Perry! I really am, Solly. I don't know what to... okay, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna keep focusing on this. Wow. Wow, that did not work out at all. Hello, handsome. Symptomatic getting. Okay, moving on. Hey, wouldn't have hit stop loss. Interesting. Let's see if this solidly rejects now or not. That was a very big push to the sell side. Oh, it's on the half an hour. It's only half an hour. Let's see what happens now. Decent pullback. Let's see what we get now. Sorry, I would say help, but I don't even know. Call me on it. I don't know. Where's this? I will behave, but I do have a couple. Okay. Back to focusing on this. Let's see what we get. That looks like it's pushing down, which means that was a bad idea from my end. Ooh, that would have been a stop loss. Cool. I'm not loving this price action today. Let's see if it ends up going up. It's inevitable, or whatever Thanos said. Debbie, don't stop. Debbie, be patient. I'm feeling the FOMO right now as well. Yeah, I don't think that's what Debbie was saying. Anyways, I feel like this whole stream has just gotten completely out of control. I'm a little scared. I want to go home. This whole stream has gotten a bit out of control. Only had one A+ setup today. Anyways, it has literally been messing around. This was the A+ setup, it just didn't come and tag me in. That was a little bit earlier. Whoop. Okay, down we go. Never mind. How's this looking now? We had some losses. It's not actually looking that bad. Oh, okay, cool. I fell with the lab to be back in the good looks. Oh, Tyler, because sweet and simply, none of these are my A+ setups. I swapped very quickly to my funded account when the A+ setup presented itself, but that's all she wrote. Yeah. I'll only go to my funded when it's an A+ setup that I actually want to take. Is it just... everything else I'm just kind of playing around. Like I said, I'm checking out the bob to bob levels as well. Took them earlier, they worked really well. So this one I guess I took a tad bit early, should have waited for some more confirmation. This just looks like it's now stuck in this level. Solidly stuck in this level. Okay, anyways. We are just going to continue. You can actually stop these if the Wi-Fi is having a moment. Always limit. Not always Atlanta. Well, okay, no, in general, yes. Especially on the funded, it's more of a limit situation. I don't normally market in. Marketing in does not tend to go very well for me, so yes. No, or they're allergic to me because they never work with me. She thinks they're the boogeyman. They are scary. Could we sleep by a 3-minute TP? Yeah, shoot. You have a point. Was that trade? Okay. Give it a bash. Stop loss below there. Okay. I'm taking it to the 3-minute TP. Alani, let's see. Used to be strictly market orders, now strictly limit. Why? You all have officially hurt my head today. Do you see how quiet I am? It's because I don't even know what to say anymore. I have no words. You guys have done it. You've made me speechless today. I'm trying to decide if you should feel proud of yourself or not. I'm a little bit conflicted. Itchy. Okay. I guess you guys could feel proud of yourselves? I don't know. Around here would kind of be midpoint. Let's move that there, let's see what happens. You get the accuracy from the limit orders, yes. That is true. I thought she was doing 5-minute silence skit. No, no. No. If we break these highs with a conservative entry, I would get in. Never know if it's a good thing or bad. What the heck is going on? Ah, Tyler. Mad love. I'm always happy to see you miserable. Bruh, that was mean. That was nasty. Uncalled for. You butthead. Yeah, I went there. I called you a butthead. Boom. Bothered. There's way too many lines and way too much chaos going on right now, but whatever. So I've gone to break even. Technically, this would have been where break even was if I'd entered down the 3 or this range rather. Sorry, trying to decide how I feel about this trade. Nah, possibly not. Let's wait for confirmation before we do that. Volatility is going down as of currently. You're looking at things that to be honest, I'm just not really listening to any of you guys right now. I'm just focused on this. I'm just gonna stay focused on this and leave it at that. Awesome. Maybe for a few efforts might look good. Do. Let's see. Still sitting and waiting and watching this. Really is struggling to break above these highs. Must be resistance here. That was about to be like, what, Atlanta? What church stuff? I'm confused. Everything going on right now is confusing me, but that's okay, I guess. We're just gonna keep on keeping on. I'm still just watching this. Like I said, if an A+ setup presents itself, I will quickly swap over to my funded. I mean, we've taken a plethora, yes, I'm using big words now, plethora of trades today on the paper. I did take a trade on the funded, it just didn't come and tag me in. We could try along from this previous low area to the previous high, but I'm afraid it'll push further down once I enter. We could down, I think that's maybe the heat map for what people are buying and selling at. Like the macro to the hedge funds. Let's see, I'm still watching this here. Still not hating this, but it's really struggling to get out of this bob level. Like, really struggling to get out of this level here. Gonna wait until after this one either takes me out or hits TP. Let's see if we get an A+ setup in that time. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. Solly, have you gotten anything that probably stopping enough to scare retail traders to sell? Who is actually in on a trade right now? Is everyone kind of just watching this price action going sideways and going, no thanks. It's fine. We're just gonna sit this out. Breakfast tacos. Low-key sounds good. Tacos and sushi, tacos and sushi, tacos and sushi, and antidepressants. If you guys don't know that, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Nah, I can't cook in these conditions. Can't do it every weekend. The thousands. Ooh, nice, Atlanta. You still trading? Okay, I'll be here. Walked into the chaos, I wrangled it with them so and said this pound ain't big enough for the boat of us. Wow. Going to the gym later and locking in for New York. Yeah. Fair. Good way of doing it with how this looks right now. Yeah, this is not great price action, so we're just gonna stick with it. Like I said, this would have been break even. This trade, I just obviously marketed in too late. This is where the entry should have been, where stop loss is. Wait, to be freaking out of corn to thing. Okay, we're going now. We're going now. I promise. Perry's here asking if we can go for a walk. We'll go now. I promise. I promise. We're going now. The price action's going up, not sideways. And we're probably fast is new. Nice, Ollie. I think. Like I'm not fulfilled. I feel like this should have been and finally coming. I was making excessive noises doing things last night. He was laughing at me. Solly, that is hilarious. I freaking love that. Okay. So TP theoretically should have been there, but I've moved it to the 3-minute TP. Let's see how it goes. I do kind of follow it, Monty. So on the Discord, some people know, that's literally his Discord and YouTube handle. He's a Bitcoin trader and he posts a lot of updates and things on it. I call him a Bitcoin guy. That some people know. Anyways. Okay, so this is now at a break even. Let's see if this goes all the way up to the 3-minute one. Then come back to this one. So we're gonna just keep it going there. It would have hit TP here. So this is what I want to also... No, I lie. That's the wrong TP. TP for this trade is up here at 696. Just looking at this now. Broken, but not with enough momentum up. I want a Bitcoin. Has anyone ever used Take Profit Trader? They're very well known. Black card. One initial risk, break even is too close. This is the initial risk though. What do you mean? Saying leave stop loss where it was. I'm just following up. This is why we are learning some things here. My neighbor knows that trading came over to tell me he bought Bitcoin at the top. That's rough. Ooh. Big oof. Yeah, that's a bit of a rough one. That's not okay. Sorry, your neighbor's lost half of his investment so far. Just okay. That's all I'm saying. Just okay. Now that is by that one. Here we go. Just keeps retesting a bit too far down. I'm not hating on this one for a trade on my funded. I am. I like how it looks, but I shouldn't just be going off of I like how it looks. Hey, moving that to break even would be where the initial entry would actually be for that one. Oh, I've drawn way too many things here. Yeah, they just take a percentage of your win, so you take a percentage of theirs. You would. No 6 points. I don't want to risk. Okay, so they would have been the initial TP. By the way. For this trade. There's the initial TP. So let's see if it reaches a little bit higher or not. Okay. Break them, you don't get pounds. Yeah, like I said, prop firms are a business. If you go along with them, you can both be profitable. If you go against them, enough said. Why not trade cheapest stocks? What do you mean? Like what? To be fair, futures are pretty decent. And that's why I also trade the MNQ. If I wanted to go a little bit more expensive, I would either trade ES or NQ. Someone had to lose for Debbie to win. See if this goes all the way to TP. It's gonna come back down. Okay, sorry, there's way too much noise now. This is gonna drive me absolutely batty. Okay, there we go. Sorry, that was driving me crazy. I can only imagine how it was driving you guys. Pay attention to this price action. Okay, so like I said, this one here. Meh. It's meh. Let's just call it what it is. It is meh. Okay, it's pushing on ES still. Just took out those. Kind of looks like the sellers might be coming to play a little bit on NQ, but let me be quiet because watch it now do the opposite and go. Like I said, I've kept. Still watching and waiting. 5:56. 4 minutes and see if the new hourly gives us something good. Also, like I said, I might just call it a tad bit early here. Going? Yes, no, maybe? Kind of. Kind of going. 0.7 through the course of a day. Down for one leg up again, in other words. Now, Tyler, it's Holly. Gotta call him Holly when he's being sassy. To be fair, he's not being sassy, so yep. What I just said was mute. Never mind. Okay, 3 minutes to go. Let's bring it. Only getting the futures fast-paced mentality. Okay. Solid push up. Keep stop loss there where it's at. Good grief. Just break that. I only said when I'm ready. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. I see we're all just a little extra unhinged today. That's all I'm getting from this. We're all a little extra unhinged. No judgment, just carrying on. What was the question, Atlanta? Sorry, I'm not even paying attention anymore. I'm waiting to see what the hourly brings. That potentially would have been entry. Let's see how it reacts here. 20 seconds to go. $12 seconds. 3, 2, 1. New hourly. Okay, oh, tapped into that resistance zone on ES, which is what it's rejecting off of there. That was very close. And straight down would have gotten very close to stop loss. To be fair, this would have gone most likely to break even now if I had taken this. Like I said, tapped into that resistance level on ES. Is it going to keep pushing back up? Yes, no, maybe? Moving steady enough trend. You know what I'm doing, Kalani? I'm actually following where the stop loss would be. 601. When it goes there, I'm gonna move to where I would normally go break even. There we go. Moving to where I would normally go break even. Now I needed to break above. Still stuck in that zone. That resistance level, it has not broken above it yet on ES. Close, but not yet. Yeah, it's paper, Solly. Let's see how you're still. Okay. Leaving this here. Again, let's see if it reaches this zone. Nearly there. We passed. Very much at break even now. Now I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's see what we get. Still hasn't broken above. I think when it breaks that resistance level on ES, it's gonna go up properly. But we need to wait for it to break that resistance level. Why am I doing 3 points of garbage? Not working these hours anymore. What's up? Oh. Take the doubles and I find out. 1 minute thing. Well, to be fair, I still have the TP there. Ah, okay. So break even. Ah, just in time, guys. Okay, so that would have been a break even trade. On the 1 minute if I had taken the other one. Okay. Interesting. Kalani, I'm gonna go and do some back testing on that. But for now, I'm gonna call it there because I'm now tired. Y'all have hurt my brain. You guys have literally hurt my brain for today. I'm done. You did it. You guys can be proud. Yeah, you guys can genuinely, like, be proud of yourselves. You guys have broken me. I'll be back for New York. Okay. Love you guys madly. Thanks for giving me a headache. Yeah. Anyways, I will then be back for the New York Open. See you guys then. Don't forget to press that like button if you guys want discounts. You know the code that you can use. Teach Maya, all caps, no gaps. And if you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. It is in the description of this video.